Okay, so I finally decided to do a speed and power test. This is the built-in one in Lightburn. If you go to laser tools and then material test, you can change all of these settings. So I changed the position Y center 50, X center 50. I changed the power from 10 to 60 and yeah, left the speed as it was, and I just framed that and ran it. By default it wants to do it smack bang in the middle of the bed. I didn't want to waste any sheet, so then I just run a command to cut that out. So let's grab it, let's hold it up against that sheet actually. So now we can see all the powers and speeds that it will actually cut through, and then you can see how deep that it burns in. Actually, it's probably not that easy to see on camera. Actually, probably there you can see, yes, there you go, you can see the white board behind, so it's cut through virtually on the, well, you can see perhaps better on the back side there. You can see the ones that it's clearly cut through, and then this is very handy. You can see the different speeds up to 300 and the shades that you get. So yeah, barely cutting in there. Obviously each board will vary, but I can use that as a reference now for this ply. So if I wanted some dark text, I know I'm going to have to, you know, pick the relevant speed and the power. So that is quite a useful thing to have. If you build that up for each piece of material that you use, you can soon build up and have a really clear idea of what it can do at each power and speed. So yeah, should have done that from the very start, I suppose, on every possible material, and then stored these for reference. I'm just going to brush out the remains in those holes because I think that would probably count as pretty much burning through it. It's just stuck on the edge a little bit, so I'm going to leave it like that. I won't clean up the edges. So we know we've got to get up to around the 27, 28 power at 10. I think I've been using speeds of, well, I cut these out at speed 20 and 35 power. So if you go up to 37 and look up, yeah, it's about right, isn't it? It's between, see, that's quite a step there actually, isn't it? 10 to 42. It might be worth doing these with your own preferred steps, because you can edit all of these, I think. So I might do that, actually go up in, so it'll be 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, and use more common steps and change the settings myself. But yeah, that's what the inbuilt test comes out looking like. Just got to brush that down and yeah, keep that stored, and maybe do another one with speeds and powers that I might usually use.